Hey, I'm Mindy Kinnis. This is the Daily Rage. Hopefully, you had a great long weekend. And hopefully, you were short indexes today, because that would have been the correct play. Or you could have been long gold, or maybe all of the above. Lots of great movement today. So, hopefully, you were able to take advantage of that. I wanted to talk today a little bit about wealth charts. I just passed my first Apex account in wealth charts. This was a 50K account, so the target was $3,000. You can see today I got 53,134. So that does qualify for a PA account. And I wanted to spread my accounts out a little bit. Obviously, you guys know that most of my accounts are in NinjaTrader with Rhythmic. But I was thinking, you know what? It's a really good idea to diversify. If for some reason NinjaTrader doesn't work or whatever other kind of tech issue might happen, at least I have this as a backup. As a reminder, Apex Easter sale is going on. It's 80% off the evals. This is going on for a while. You can see 9 days and 10 hours from this recording. But as I wrote to you last week, you do want to make sure that you are actually able to trade. Now, thankfully, we didn't have any margin restrictions today, but all of last week, they were restricting margin. And I know for some of you, that means that you literally wouldn't have been able to trade for a full week. This is one of the many, many reasons I do recommend trader funding. There's a link and coupon code down below to get that discount. I also wanted to let you know that the doors for my Peak Performance Trader program are now open. That is through this Friday. The replay is up if you wanted to check that out. That'll be available till Friday. You can sign up for the course until Friday. And of course, you're going to get this crazy bonus that I'm offering, which is an AI trading coach, as I'm calling it, the last trading coach you'll ever need. Maybe it'll be the first one you've ever had, but I'm really excited about bringing my knowledge of trading psychology matched up with AI to hopefully be able to really dig into your blind spots, really get through to those sticking points, and help you create the results in trading that you want, as opposed to ones that you are just dreaming about. So I'll link you over there. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.